So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cozy fall wreath for under $15. Come on with me, guys. So this is a wreath that I purchased at Michael's, and I tried to fluff it out as much as I can. Let me just make some quick little fluffs here before we get started. Over here I have some of my foliage that I had in my stash. So this is going to look absolutely amazing, and it's going to be the fraction of a price that you would purchase at the store. Okay, so I hope you can see that. I think it looks nice and fluffy here, so I am going to save the bow for last. So let's start out by using these leaves. Okay, so this is how this is looking. So what I did, these are really cool. I actually snipped the clip here, and on both sides you have some leaves. So that's pretty neat. So we're gonna go around the wreath, and we don't even have to hot glue these. You can, but I don't believe you need to. See? And they look so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and go around the wreath with these. Does that look beautiful so far? I have an extra one here. We're just gonna go ahead and keep it moving. Now I do have some pine cones. I think I'm gonna go ahead and glue these down. I only have 3. So I'm just going to spread them out, guys. So I'll put one there. And there you go. Okay, so we got the pine cones, then we have some of the florals. So I'm going to go ahead, I think I'm going to stick the florals in there first before we stick the other smaller pieces of floral. And then we also have these beautiful pumpkins, guys. These pumpkins are so gorgeous. I love them. So let's start with the sunflowers. So far we're looking pretty good. Let me stick these in there first. And I just put a little bit of glue on the tips. And I just have 2 of those. Then I also have 2 of these beautiful sunflowers, which I got at Michael's. It was on clearance, guys, and they were $2 for the bunch. So this was an amazing buy. So of course I bought like 3 or 4 bunches. I should have got more. Okay. Oh my God, that looks so beautiful. So how's this look so far, guys? Doesn't that look amazing? Now I think we're gonna come in with the pumpkins. So let's see. Definitely wanna try to plan where you put these. I'm loving these. So we're gonna go in sideways. So now I have some of these, which I'm just gonna poke in there. I have these in my stash, and so I'm just gonna poke these in there. Now a wreath like this, guys, is definitely going to cost you a lot of money. So if you can make these yourself, I made this at a fraction of the price. This is a warm and inviting wreath. I am just so happy with it. And this did not cost me nearly what you would be paying for outside. These beautiful yellow ones. They're so cute. So we're just gonna randomly put those around. So you can get a better view. Look at this wreath, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. And yep, I am loving those white sunflowers. I'm thinking maybe we should stick some more in there. We already got a lot going on, so I don't think I need to do that. It's just a matter of where I'm going to hang the bow. Now I also have this bless sign, so let's get to making a bow and then deciding then, okay? So I'm gonna put that aside, put the wreath aside, and then we'll bring this back to attach the bow, and we are almost done. So I probably can do the white. Let's try to figure out. I would like it to go from one end of the wreath to the other so that I can attach it that way. So I think we're good there. Let's attach the sign first because this is going to go in the center. All right, so now we are going to attach the bless sign. What we will also do is turn this around. Okay. And I'm going to put some jute twine. I'll glue some jute twine on both sides so that I can tie this in the middle. To lay this down here. Alright, so we're just going to let that dry. Alright, now I'm gonna work on the bows with the actual ribbon. So this is like working with what I have. So, this is a very beautiful ribbon. I did get it at the Dollar Tree. So, let's see what I can do here. Okay, so, alright, so let's move this over to the middle. Okay, so we're looking okay here. I can adjust this when it's on the, I'm gonna leave these. I'm gonna go ahead and make some dovetails over here. And then we're gonna go and see what we can do with that. Oops. Okay, so these have dovetails. Once it's inside of the wreath, I think you'll see how nice that will look. And then you have the two different ribbons. Isn't that pretty, guys? So now, and so it's just really adjusting it inside of the wreath once we're in there. Now, I do like the way this curls, so I do want to incorporate this in here. It's not pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and dovetail these. And let's see how we look. All right, so that's looking so pretty. All right, we'll work with the ribbon last. We're gonna go ahead and attach the sign. So see, the sign is going to go right in here. Okay, so we're going to separate. We're going to get as close to that wire down there. And then we're going to come over here and do the same thing. Turn this around and make sure we get a nice good grip and tie it tight. And it's okay to leave the rest of the jute twine hanging because this is the bow part. So now we can turn around and we can start fluffing everything out the way we like it. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And here are our curls. I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can get more curls on here because it is a wire. Is beautiful, guys. What do you think? I am loving it. And like I said, this was very budget friendly. The wreath I got at Michael's. The ribbons all came from the Dollar Tree. A lot of stuff I did get at Michael's, like I did get the sunflowers. They were on clearance. I did get the blessed sign, and all of the ribbon did come from the Dollar Tree. And the leaves came from, this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. The leaves came from Michael's as well. All right, guys, so I put the hanger there, and let me just give you one more look before we go over to the reveal. Now, I'm not gonna hang this in my entryway right away because I gotta get that ready, but I think this wreath came out absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Now remember, we're gonna head on over to the reveal. I'm gonna go ahead and hang this in the kitchen because we need to get another area, the front door, ready to hang this gorgeous wreath. And by the way, this is running somewhere between $59 and higher to get a wreath something like this, and it's probably not going to be as full as this, and this cost me less than $15 to make. Let's head on over to the reveal. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you. Amen.